Hey, it's me, C. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the description and the title, I will be showing you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures using Facetune. Now, I know what you're thinking. Facetune, really, that's what you use? Yes, that's what I use. It's easy, super easy, and it's quick. Like, there's so many little tips and tricks that I will share with you to get your picture popping. For some weird reason, Facetune has like this like negative energy around it. I guess because people Facetune too much and make themselves look like something that they're not. This is not a teaching you how to catfish video because I don't do that. If you want to learn how to catfish, not your girl. Sorry. But yeah. Okay, so first things first, I went ahead and took some pictures a couple minutes ago, real quick in my apartment. Just click, 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 whatever. We're going to go to our photos. We're going to click photos. As you can see, I took all these random pictures. You know, I have a lot of stuff in here. Don't judge. Okay, anyway, we're not going to scroll up. Now that we have our pictures open, what I like to do is kind of just go through and see what pictures I like the most. Don't judge me. I literally just took all of these in the span of 5 minutes. I don't have a problem. Y'all know y'all do it too. You ask your friend to take 50 million pictures of you and pray that one comes out decent. And if you have a friend like me, you will have bomb photos. Ask any of my friends. I am the camera woman in our group, period. So let's see. Let me go through and see what pictures I like the most. This is cool. My eyes are closed. That's all right. I'll heart that one. I'll heart that one. I'll heart that one. I'll heart that one. Hey, yo, what is wrong? Ooh, my edges though. These things is. Can you hear me? I'll heart that one just because I feel like it.
Really, nigga?
Okay, let's start here. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to use the crop tool and I am going to make this square. And what I'm pretty much doing is like, I don't like when there's too much like open space in my picture. Like there's really no need for all that background because the focal point of the picture is obviously me, duh, hello. So you want to make it square and like kind of zoom in a little bit until you get it to like the center or your preferred, you know, box. So that's done. Okay, now my Facetune is frozen. Okay. So now that that is cropped out, you can still kind of see to the left where I had the outlet, obviously, because I had my ring light plugged in. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use the patch tool to fix that. So we're gonna zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and we're going to drag our finger across that. Okay, boom. Now we're gonna move that up there. And pretty much what we're doing is we're taking another piece of the wall and putting it on top of that so that you don't see that and it just looks like a white wall. And we're gonna take the softness all the way down because like I said, we really want to hide that. So you want to kind of get it as white as possible. If you have to move the cutout part around the wall to get it to your desired area, that's perfectly fine. Do what you have to do. And boom. Okay. Zoom out. Perfect. Now what I want to do is go to the retouch tool. And this can go kind of left, so be careful with this part. I'm gonna hit auto and just see. Okay, so I like what it did. It didn't wash me out too much, but I don't like looking overly edited, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna take the white, which it already goes to your mouth, because what do people want white? They want their teeth white, so that's what that's for. I'm going to drag that back because my teeth aren't even showing and I don't want my lips looking white, so I'm gonna drag that back. Then I'm gonna go to the smooth tool and I'm just gonna play with it to see how smooth I kind of actually want my skin to look. And I really don't need this right now, so I'm just gonna leave it there. 19. Okay, now we're gonna go to detail. Now, I don't know about you, but I like for my eyelashes to pop in my pictures. So I'm going to color in the area where my lashes are. Boom. Zoom out so you can see the overall picture, and you can be as dark or as light as you want. I'm going to make it kind of dark. All right, now we're gonna go to glow. So glow kind of just adds like a little bit of a glow or shimmer to your skin. It makes it kind of illuminate. You can see the difference right there. So we're just gonna make it glow just a little bit. Concealer, don't really need that because this face is beat. All right, let's do some more pictures. All right, let's do this one. This, I am going to go ahead and use the crop tool yet again, make it square, and I'm going to kind of just adjust it to my liking. I think I like it right about here. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, my skin is looking kind of orangey because I have like super red undertones. My face is lighter than my neck and the rest of my body just by nature. So when I do my makeup, I do my makeup to kind of match my chest. So I don't know. If you want to know the tea about that, go to Catch the Beat. This is not a makeup video. So I'm going to go ahead with retouch and just see what auto does for me. And don't really like that too much. So I'm going to go in and adjust. I already know what I don't like. I don't like the glow part, so I'm going to take that glow down. See that? Actually, yeah, I'm going to take that glow down. Makes me look super orange. I don't really care for that. And I'm going to go in with the smooth thing. So I'm going to zoom in. My skin looks pretty smooth. See, my neck is pretty smooth already. You don't really have to do too much. Is that hair? Oh no, it's not hair. All right, now let's zoom into my face. Pretty good, actually. My pores aren't too outrageous. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do for that. Let's go to detail again. Hike that baby up so our eyes could pop. Boom. 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 All right. And if you mess up, you can always go back and erase your mess up. So that's great. See the difference? Boom. Perfect. I forgot to go and define my curls a little bit more. So boom, let's do that with the detail tool. Define the curls. Curls defined. Here's another cool thing. If you want your walls to be a little bit whiter, you can go in with that white tool and do that. Brighten that background up, if you will. All right, so we're almost perfect. So I'm gonna go to edit the brightness, and I want to take the brightness down a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Contrast, take that contrast down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Brighten this down a little bit more too. There we go. Shadow, take it down just a little bit. Highlight, take it up just a little bit. Structure, take it up just a little bit. Make your picture look a little bit more realistic and not too, you know, overly edited. There we go. Grain. That's how people get this look if you like that sort of thing. Go ahead, but I don't know, it's cute. So I'll save that and then download that. But I'm gonna go back and redo it because I might not like it later, you know. All right, we almost done. We're gonna go to filter and see if we like any of the filters with this. If not, then don't use it. If you do, use it. Don't like those. Let's go to Old Faithful. Don't like that, don't like that, don't like that. So no, we're not gonna use a filter. We are just going to stay with what we have. Save. Let's do another picture. Okay, let's do this one. Yet again, I'm going to go in with that square tool and I am going to adjust the size of my picture. Boom, right there. Now this one, I feel like my skin looks a little too glowy. I've had this beat on all day. I went to work, came home, all that good stuff. So we are going to go to retouch. We're going to go to matte, not my fiance. And then we're going to kind of take that shine off a bit, just a little bit. All right, cool, cool. See a difference? Boom, 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 cool. All right, go to edit and adjust the light of your picture. Adjust the contrast, brightness, a little bit more. Okay, shadows, highlights, structure, a little bit. Cool. See, that was it. Another easy one. And we're gonna go to filter. And let's see, good old gossip. Which one do you guys like? Let's go with this one, but we're gonna take it down a little bit because I don't want to look orange. So there we go. Boom. And they do have other filters I can show you guys. It's just for me and the way I like my skin to look, or I like myself to look. I don't really use too many other filters, but maybe I will experiment. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, see, these, they don't do it for me. This one just washes you out. These ones, no, 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 no. So that's why I don't really do filters too much. Save just in time because my phone is on 1%. Facetune is really literally to tune your picture, not to overly exaggerate what you look like, drawing in hips and booty and all that stuff. For that, you need to work on your angles. You know what I'm saying? Because not all of us are blessed to have, you know, that. But if you want that, you can get that easily with practicing your poses. If you guys like this video, maybe I'll come back and show you guys how I actually pose and take pictures of myself by myself. As you know, a lot of times I literally just do all my pictures. I don't have a live-in or a photographer that follows me around all the time. Yes, I have my family, friends, and fiance that can take pictures of me, but they're not always available when I want my pictures right then, right now. So I can go ahead and show you guys that in another video if you're interested. Comment down below and let me know what you think of that idea, and let me know what other videos you would like me to do. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed yet another video with me, C. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video with your friend. Like, help a sister out. Hello. See you guys in the next video.